The nature of light and the principle of ray optics. The nature of light. Before the beginning of 19th century, light was considered to be a stream of particles that either was emitted by the object being viewed or emanated from the eyes of the viewer. Newton, the chief architect of particle model of light. He believed that particles were emitted from a light source and that these particles stimulated the sense of sight upon entering the eyes. Nature of light alternative view. Christian Hughes argued that light might be some sort of wave motion. Thomas Young in 1801 provided the first clear demonstration of the wave nature of light. Sinabi niya, light rays interfere with one another, just like mechanical wave and chapter 18 that has been discussed. Sabi niya, such behavior could not be explained at that time by a particle. More confirmation of wave nature. During the 19th century, other developments lead to the acceptance of wave theory of light. Maxwell asserted that light was a form of high-frequency electromagnetic in chapter 34. Hertz confirmed Maxwell's prediction in 1987. Particle of nature. Some experiment could not be explained by the wave nature of light. The photoelectric effects was a major phenomenon not explained by waves. When light strikes a metal surface, electrons are sometimes ejected from the surface. Kinetic energy of the ejected electrons is independent to the frequency of the light. Particle nature constant. Einstein in 1905 proposed an explanation of photoelectric effect that used in the idea of quantization. The quantization models assume that the energy of a light wave is present in the particle called photons, which is E is equals to hf. H is the Planck constant, which is H is equals to 6.63 times 10 to the power of negative 34 joules times seconds. Dual nature of light. In view of these developments, light must be regarded as having a dual nature. Light exhibits the characteristic of a wave in some situation and the characteristic of a particle in other situation. This chapter investigates the wave nature of light. Sabi sa module, light is a light to be sure. Is light a wave or a particle? Yun yung question. Sometimes light acts like a wave and other times it acts like a particle. Sana yung light both siya nag-act as a wave or a particle.